Hi, and welcome to ChatGenie. Are you selling your products outside Shopify? Let us walk you through the steps to sign up and launch an online store with ChatGenie. First, go to chatgenie.ph. Make sure to use Google Chrome or Safari as your browser when signing in. Next, log in with a Facebook account connected to your business page and make sure to allow all permissions to fully manage your online mini store. Once logged in, click on Create Mini App and choose the eCommerce B2C bundle. Choose the Facebook page of your business and connect it with ChatGenie. After signing in, customize your mini app. Edit the name, greeting, welcome message, and welcome button label depending on how you want to welcome your customers to your online mini store. However, be sure not to edit the words that you see in the brackets. These are codes used to send out notification emails when orders are placed. Once connected, customize your online store's categories first by uploading photos and adding descriptions. You can add your products right after. Square type photos are ideal to fit the thumbnail. Under categories, you can also add details to your products. Use this feature to adjust the base price, specify if items are limited, and edit product variants for size, color, and other product details. Next, adjust the cart settings to choose or limit your delivery area. If you choose the limited delivery area, configure the areas your business can cover. We added this feature to help small and medium enterprises who have limited areas of coverage. If you're selling a digital product, make sure to click Yes so that customers will avoid adding their addresses upon checkout. You can also use this feature to assign individual delivery rates, offer free shipping, and enable or disable your minimum transaction amount before customers can check out. Set your shipping options by activating third-party delivery options like Grab Express. You may also set standard delivery charges here if your business caters delivery service for your orders as well. Here at ChatGenie, we want you to have the freedom to choose your own payment options. In this portion, simply select which options you want to activate for your online mini store. Use the manual payment option for cash on delivery or bank deposits. You can also activate online payment options such as GCash, BPI Online Banking, and PayMongo. Note that the cash on delivery payment option is only available for manual delivery. Next, go to your dashboard and look for the Launch Mini App button. But don't click it just yet. You can add more categories or upload more products for your mini store here. After that, go to the Payment Manager and configure your details for your chosen online payment options. You can now go to the General Store Manager and assign team members to help you manage your mini app. Make sure to make them admins on your Facebook page and add an email address connected to their Facebook account. After adding them, they'll receive an email confirmation for their registration and be able to manage your online store. After you've set all your mini app configurations, finally click Launch Your Mini App. And there you have it, your ChatGenie online store is ready. Good luck!